Hello, welcome back to my channel. I Kinga from Bhutan and I'm here to show my gardens of this month and what are going on with my plants. So let's go, friends. See that two guy are just making my hang chako suga show English ki udah hang chako fencing. These are my flowers. Handunda fencing are broken and destroyed and my Pyari husband is making, and these are my flowers. Bubu, you think my dad actually pelikilla? This is my plants which I have propagated from cuttings, and I think they need water, so I'm requesting my son to give them a water. Yes. Huh? Simangi. Mangi na. Oh, meto kila. Oh. See, bando. And this is my little helper. Water, Icho. Bubu? Water. Huh? It's meto. Watering.
Okay.
I'm watering, Icho. Yeah, tapala. These calentures can't bear the heat of summer, so I kept under the shade. And yeah, I've shown in my short video all the cattle has entered in my gardens and damaged all my. Yeah. Entered and they have damaged all my plants. See, all I've eaten. All the chilies are eaten, all are damaged, and yeah, I'm trying my best to bring back my presence of my flowers. See, mango, chứ?
Mango đâu không?
Làm tôi được chưa? And these are my babies. See, so beautiful, white and green variegated hanging plants. See, they might seem similar, but this and this are different. They are growing so big in size and they are smaller compared to this. Oi, wala. See, I've done experiments I've seen in the YouTube growing like this, but hangya ma pero cha mo sha video cha, but I would say 70% are dead and 30% are still doing their best. And see, these roots are coming. Yeah, I'm doing this for the first time, and yeah, I think you should spray water on it, and it will give you a root and new plants out of it. Calendars are kept. I've saved here for the next seasons, and these all are my spider plants. We believe that spider plants, if we keep spider plants in the house, if you want to have a baby, then you can keep more spider plants in your room, as spider plants produce so many babies like this. And this is just a belief, and if you have some belief like this, share me in the comments. Thank you, Boo Boo. Don't bunyi-bunyi duk mo. Oh, no. My son is just taking from up and just watering and keeping up. He used to help me when he was so young. And Boo Boo, I love you. I love you, Chu. I love you, Amma, Chu. English, Chu. English, Chu. Metori, yes, Chu. Chu, me. Yes. This lizard is also here to help me to water my flowers. Lizard, oh no. Ala, konsi mena tuko kong pele. Tuko kong pele. I was watering my flowers. I've seen this carnations. This can be grown just like this. You just have to put like this in the soil and keep in the shade. See, just take out this lower parts of the leaf and put it in the soil and keep in the shade, just like this.
Hello, it's Somin. Good morning. It's Mom. It's me this day. Hi. What are you doing?
And these are all my green plants, indoor plants, which I've just done planting them once again to the new pot, as all the cow has entered in this, and most of the pot has damaged. And yeah, these all are my indoor plants. So I have done all my works. I've done some cuttings. I just kept it here, and this much only for today. Bye bye. Thank you so much for staying to the end. Please like my channel, subscribe my channel. See you next time. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.